Is the Gemini app not updating properly on your Android phone? Maybe the update gets stuck, fails to install, or the app keeps showing errors after updating. First, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Try using a strong Wi-Fi network or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if the update is not downloading properly. After that, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Now tap the search bar and search for Gemini. Once you find the app, check if you see an update button. After the update is complete, open Gemini again and check if everything is working normally. If you don't see an update or the issue still continues, the next step is to clear the app cache. Open Settings on your phone, go to Apps, and find the Gemini app. Now tap and hold the Gemini icon. Inside the App Settings page, tap on Storage and Cache. Next, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing update errors, loading problems, or app glitches without deleting your personal data. Once done, reopen the Gemini app and test it again. If the problem still isn't fixed, try switching to another Google account inside Gemini. Open the Gemini app, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and select another Google account if you have one available. Sometimes account syncing issues can prevent Gemini from updating or working correctly. You can also restart your phone after completing these steps for a better refresh of the system and Google services.